To start, we will do the sketch of our kitten. So I'm using yellow charcoal and I will create the sketch of my composition roughly. So I'm looking at the shape of my cat's head, where it is approximately. So I'm looking at it's kind of tilted slightly. So this is going to be the central line of his head. The top. And somewhere lower than the middle, I'm adding that eye line. And lower than that, there's this triangular nose shape. So just looking at those general placeholders, so like eyes, ears, we're going to create the sketch using the willow charcoal very, very gently. So I'm not pressing too hard. And I'm adding that pupil in the middle here. So I'm just adding that shape. And the same distance from there, I'm adding the second eye. There we go. Maybe this nose is just a tad too high up. I'm just gonna move it a bit lower, like so. Now I'm looking at the eyes and I'm drawing that line from the nose through the eye to actually add the ear. So cats, they have these pointy ears. Remember, that's one of the most characteristic features of a cat. And basically we're good. So this is our sketch. What I can do now is I can gently rub this away just so that I have that outline of my cat to have a rough idea where his features are going to be. Now we can start adding colors. So I'm going to start by cleaning my hands first. Paper towel.